Hey everyone, it's Amy, and it's October 1st, which means it's officially spooky season. So to start off spooky season, I have a spooky tutorial for you of these clear glass blood drip nails. So for these nails, you're going to start off with a fresh set of clear sculpted out nails. And so I will show you how I did mine. So we're going to do it on the thumb. So I did remove all of the dust and oils with some alcohol. I'm going in with my Young Nails primer, and I'm doing 2 coats of this. And here I'm putting on my Young Nails form, just a basic form. These are the ones that I like, and I'm putting it on my thumb, making sure it's straight and nice and pointed. Then I'm going to go in with my build gel and extend out the nail into that pointed shape that I want. And so we're just going to do this to attach it on the edge of the nail. We give this a flash cure, and then we go in with Young Nails base. I'm going to put this as the base layer. You kind of do this on the natural nail onto the extension that you just did. Then I'm going to do a full cure of this. After that full cure, you can take off the form, and then I go in, and it is super thin, so you got to be careful, but go in and shape your nail the way you want it. Now we're going to go back in with build gel again, and we're going to build up the nail, creating that thickness and strength. And I am no expert on building up nails, but I did learn from lots of YouTube tutorials, so I will leave a link to a Young Nails gel extension video down below, so you can check that out as well. After that layer is fully cured, I go in and I do my finish filing. I usually start off with the electric file, but for these ones I just did a hand file and I just finished up my shape. So now that we have our glass nails fully sculpted out, we'll go in with the design, and we're going to start off with using a detailer brush. This one is from Midi Burns. This is Daisy 1.0, so this is a little bit thicker of a detailing brush. And the color we're going to start off with for the blood is from Y Elegance. This is Burberry. This is from their fall collection, just a nice deep red shade. So I'm taking my detailer brush and kind of where that extension from where my natural nail starts is where I'm going to start creating some blood drips, and so creating it thicker, kind of thinning it out as if the blood is dripping down. And so I do this on 2 nails, cure, do my other 2 nails, and then cure. So here's what the nails look like with all the blood drips on it. Looks pretty crazy at this point. But we're gonna go in with a darker red color. I use Y Elegance's black tie, and I mixed in a little bit of the red so it's not quite a solid black. It's kind of like a super dark red, almost black color. I did mix that up myself. I'm going in at the cuticle area and kind of filling that in as you would a normal color, and then I'm fading that color into the brighter red, so you have that nice like dark to brighter red fade. Now I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Chest to Chest. It's this beautiful sparkly red color. I don't know about you guys, but I love adding some red glitter to my blood or Halloween designs, just so that way it just gives it like a little extra, like a sparkly blood. So I don't know, it's more fun in my opinion, have some sparkly blood. So I'm just going in and I'm dotting in some of that glitter on the blood nails. This next step is optional, but I am taking Young Nails Flex Gel and I'm kind of encapsulating that blood drip in. If you don't encapsulate, then it's going to be kind of a textured nail, which is completely fine, but I wanted my nails to be smooth, so I went ahead and I did a thin layer and encapsulated that blood. After I encapsulated all of the nails, I did just give it a quick buff over to make sure everything was smooth, fixed my shape a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with top coat. Today I'll be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat. And here is how my blood drip nails came out. I think they look so cool. They're so fun for Halloween. This was a good way to start off spooky season this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more spooky nail tutorials coming soon. And we'll see you next time. Bye.